Stop reaching now. Stop reaching. Stop it, McCree. Put your hands on the dash. Do it now. McCree, put your hands on the dash. Do it now.
You shoot what you do. You shoot what you do.
Grab his arm.
Stop. Why y'all holding my neck like that, man?
You want to add more charges, man? Just get in the car.
I'm add more charges, bro. Man, let me go.
On June 22nd, 2023, a routine traffic stop in Florida escalated into a felony arrest involving firearm discovery, physical resistance, and multiple constitutional questions. This analysis examines the legal framework governing officer authority, use of force, and the criminal consequences of noncompliance.
How y'all doing?
All right, how you doing?
Good. Can you roll all the windows down? Thank you. You know why I'm stopping you?
No.
Can you roll those windows up? One, you're speeding on Ivy's 35, and two, you don't got your headlights on and it's raining outside.
It ain't even raining.
It's raining back there where we were.
I'm sorry, sir.
Yeah, got your lights on?
Huh?
Oh my goodness. Is that McCree?
Yes, sir.
Wow. Haven't seen you in a while.
Going fishing.
You what?
Going fishing.
Going fishing? Where's the fishing pole?
In the trunk.
Gotcha.
You want to see it?
Huh? No, I'm good. You guys got your IDs on you?
No, sir.
Mind if I see them?
I don't got mine.
You don't got yours?
No, sir.
Thank you.
Good fair man, go ahead, hand me the rolling tray. Thank you.
Man, you don't got no weapons on you, right? No guns, nothing like that? Just keep your hands on the steering wheel, man. Thank you. You should have her put your hands. I'm gonna take your seatbelt off for it.
Hey, Mom.
Don't call your mom McCree. Come on, dude. You've been through this too many times to call your mom, dude.
Just being retained for a drug investigation.
Drug investigation?
Yes.
McCree, you sweating a lot, bro. We weren't sweating when we started.
It's hot.
Ain't that hot. I'm wearing all this stuff, I ain't sweating. Oh, stop that nonsense.
Well, it's hot as
McCree, stop moving around the car. Put your hands on the dash. Put your hands on the dash. Stop reaching, McCree. Stop reaching now. Stop reaching. Stop it, McCree. Put your hands on the dash. Do it now. McCree, put your hands on the dash. Do it now. Yes, you are. Put your hands on the dash and do it now. McCree, hands on the dash now. Hands on the dash. McCree, get your hand out your pocket. Stop it. You're acting a fool.
On the back of his head.
You always pull this stuff. You haven't changed one bit, bro. Stop reaching. Hand on the dash, McCree. McCree, hands out your pocket now.
I don't have nothing.
Put your hands on the
Mom,
dash.
can you please come up here? Man, they sue me. They gonna get a fucking lawsuit, bro. I'm trying to get a car.
Stay in the car until I tell you to get
Man,
out.
I'm trying to get out, bro. Fuck finna pass out. It's hot.
What's his name?
Just comply.
McCree.
Put your hands on the dash and then it's hot, bro. I understand that. He trying to reach for something. I'm not reaching for nothing. I don't have anything in my pocket. Just put
Come over here. I'm gonna keep on.
we'll let you get on out, man. Just comply first, all right?
Yeah, straight up. Gotta grab him. I gotta stay at least.
Straight up, me, bro. You shoot what you do. You shoot what you do.
Grab his arm.
Stop reaching.
Okay, bro. Okay. Can I put my pants up?
Stop. Let's go.
McCree, on the ground. Do it now.
Hey, go high and go low. Go low.
Someone go low.
Roll.
Hold up.
Roll him over.
We're trying. He's holding.
There you go. To the side.
Yeah, he's gonna do all that.
Yeah, he always does. He always does, every time.
I have nothing, bro.
Okay.
Right, then why you acting like this?
Because y'all beating me. I just got in the fucking car to see my kids.
Someone
bro.
hands it for me.
We need to follow on the side.
Here's starting on the Explorer.
Stop you kicking me for?
Kicking, I ain't
You kicking me for, bro?
I tell you, get up.
Bro, what you talking me for?
You stop.
Man.
Why don't you just listen?
What the you talking me
You
for,
never
bro?
listen, bro. Never change. Haven't
The
seen you in
fuck?
3 years. You haven't changed one bit.
Out my face, bro. Man, move, man.
You want me to be able to get in the car, or are you just gonna throw a tantrum the whole time?
Get in the car for?
What do you think?
So you're gonna get up on your own because you're gonna have to go on the patrol car. Or you're gonna make it harder.
For what?
So we would like you to stand
What
up
am I
on your
going to jail
own.
for?
You're going to jail
To you, man.
For what?
for this clearly.
For what?
It's called
Listening.
All right. So are you gonna stand up on your own?
Man, they just beat me up, bro.
You gonna get up? You gonna get up like a big man?
Where's
He keeps kicking me.
No, he kicking you. Y'all don't talk. Don't do nothing. Don't do shit. Don't move. Don't goddamn it move. They always do this.
just so you know, what you just did was a stop.
They keep kicking me in my bag.
Don't keep
Bro, that man keep kicking me, been kicking me the whole time,
You
Bill.
now have battery LEOs.
Don't keep doing it. Don't keep fucking
Numerous
doing it.
battery LEOs.
Now I got bad on Leo. Now I got bad on Leo, bro.
Y'all need to stop that
Can you
shit.
bring it closer? Because
Y'all fucking do that shit all the time because this name rang a fucking bell. LaBarza McCree, Baybo. Y'all did that same shit in my mother house. Come on, how the fuck you get
Bro,
a
it
bell on the
just
fucking
keep me in my
bill?
shit, bro. Y'all tripping, bro.
Y'all with this shit all the goddamn time.
Man, y'all just kick me the fuck.
It
Y'all
ain't still me,
tripping,
cause
bro.
I got life and I ain't pulling out no gun. I pull out my mother phone.
And my thumb broke, bro.
Come on, man.
Get on me, man.
Stop. I'm actually letting you rest on me, bro. He's got a 0 in the car. He's got a 0 or had a 0. How you want to do this?
Main contact with
The hard way?
so get up.
Come on, McCree, up in two daisies, buddy.
So you know you're under arrest.
Yeah, he under arrest with y'all.
And you're gonna be charged. You're gonna be charged with escape if you don't listen.
I've been trying to escape. I'm not
Stand up on
escaping.
your own. You're escaping
I'm
by
not
not
escaping.
allowing us. Okay. So you need to stand up on your
Bro,
own.
why y'all holding my neck like that,
Alright,
man?
You want to add more charges, man? Just get in the car.
How I'm add more charges, bro?
Stand up.
Man, let me go.
Stop resisting.
Handcuffs, bro.
Sir, you're resisting
Look, you're
arrest
felon.
right
I'm
now.
not resisting,
You
bro.
need to stand up.
I'm not resisting, bro.
You need to stand
Look how
up.
he check you, I'm not resisting.
Stand up.
Okay, but just stand up.
Man, look how this man was, he jacking me up.
Stand up on your own. All right, sir. You need to stand up.
Stand up.
Bro,
Stand
y'all-
up.
Hey, do y'all realize he damn near 500 pounds? Y'all doing all that trying to pull him up?
He's not listening. Stand
Look how he
up.
got his handcuffs.
Sir, you need to stand up on your own.
Man, these handcuffs, look how he got his handcuffs.
Why don't you ask him to stand up?
Baby, stand up. Baby, stand up. Okay, but let him stand up. I'm his mama. He'll get up for y'all. Why you got your hand on him? But why they got his hand on you? You feel this funny. This what they do to us kind. This what they do to us kind. You laugh.
I'm not laughing.
We the same color. We the same color. Why you letting this be like Rodney King?
He's gonna get more charges.
Yeah, but I'm telling you, I'm his mother. I can get him up.
Okay.
But let him get up. Y'all ain't got to do that. Let me get him up.
Control. They have to try to have
Okay, but I'm watching him ringing his wrist.
That's the way we live.
No, that ain't the way. Baby, get up. Cause I ain't got time for you. Know I got a bad heart. Get up.
He's just getting more charges if he don't get up. So he's trying to tell him to get up.
Baby, get up.
Yeah, okay.
Stand up.
Kick your foot towards you, like this. Cross your leg, and then roll onto your knee.
Your mama coming to get you. Come on, man.
There you go. Onto the knee. There you go, man. There we go.
That's what I want to know. Pull your pants up, boy. but I don't understand.
Yeah, for resisting, man.
Roll up onto your legs, okay? We're gonna help you up.
Bro, why don't you force me stop, bro? That's crazy.
Baby, stand up on your legs.
Get onto your legs. Listen to your
God
mouth.
damn it, I come over to get you up because I'm sick of this, man. Get out!
McCree, get onto your legs.
Get up, get up, get up.
There we go.
This ain't making sense. Put your shoes on and go. God damn it. You know my heart fucked up and fucking with me.
McCree, you need to walk.
Y'all forcing me to the car, bro.
You're going to
Okay, y'all
jail.
forcing me to the car.
Because you're not going.
Is
this his?
Hey,
is this his?
Stupid, bro.
Huh? Have we gone through it?
I don't think it's been gone through Mamone and Haley.
We haven't been able to go through it because we've been dealing with this.
Stop. Man, my fucking wrist.
The last time.
They fucking my fucking wrist, man.
Okay, but the lady said they just slacking. Why you doing all this?
Can you calm him down if I get you there?
Yeah, because...
Come over here. Talk to me.
Baby,
Hey, hold on.
Baby, stop. Baby, please.
Listen to your mom.
Please. Baby, please. Stop. You me up, boy. Please, won't you let me walk into the car. Get in the car, man. Get in the car.
We're
Come on, man. Come on.
Because they forced me instead of twisting hands.
Okay, they ain't finna let you go. They finna let you go. You finna walk to the car by yourself.
Man, once I get in the car, bro, they not gonna worry about me no more,
Baby,
bro.
come on, baby. Because you know I'm stuff. You know I got hard feelings. Don't do this. Go get in the car.
I want to drag me to the car, bro.
Come on, they not finna. Go get in the car. Because you fucking me up. They don't have to call the ambulance on me. Get in the car.
He want to come beat up on shit, but they don't even search me, bro.
Sir, you got to be checked before you get in the car. Stop. Don't hit your head on the window on purpose.
You're making everything longer process. All kind of stuff.
Bro, why'd you put a force on me for?
McCree, turn around.
Put a force on me for, huh? Finish searching me, bro.
McCree, turn around.
Please, baby. Don't even move. Don't even move. Don't even move.
You know, I probably got about 5 6 charges, bro.
I don't know what it's for.
5 6 charges, bro.
What I got.
I have a chance to get a bag or something.
Yeah, hold on to it.
Oh my God, why are you pushing me to the car, bro?
McCree, this is why you need to be searched.
Damn. Stop. Where that come from? That come off here?
Yeah.
Oh, you get that little shit. I smoke, baby, because you ain't got to eat take you to jail for. I smoke that little shit.
You said you'll smoke it?
Yeah, that little shit right there, ain't enough you can get nobody to jail for.
Nah.
I smoke that little shit. That little shit right there ain't nothing but 2 blunts.
We live in an interesting day and age. Nothing.
That ain't shit, that little shakes. What the bug said.
He's gonna make all the laundry smell like weed now, though, too.
The laundry?
Yeah. He's got a bunch of shake in his pocket.
Oh.
So when you go to do the wash, hopefully he washes his clothes. Hopefully.
There's an ice pack. Yeah, he threw it.
Okay, baby, sit sideways and get on in there and be doing this shit. And I can go home. Now, sit there, slide all the way back. Slide all the way back. You in a big truck. Now, ain't no use for that shit. Get on in now. Slide on back. Slide on back. Go back. Go back some more. Y'all got the air on in there, baby?
What's that?
The air on in there?
Yeah.
Okay, slide on back and turn yourself around. You in a motherfucking big old truck there. I can see you like that motherfucker. Come on.
I hope I'm
Okay, it's okay. Get in there. They say they check it. Tell the people at the jail. Get in there. Go all the way back. Turn your legs a little bit for they close the door. Come on, for they close the door. Okay, stop all that now. Okay. Thank y'all.
Thanks, Mom.
So what did it be weed now? That little weed?
Resisting, and I think he had a gun on him.
He had a gun? Why y'all just told me it was just in the red?
Well, I didn't know that. They just searched it.
Oh, Lord.
I just found that. So.
I can't, it's out of my hands. I can't.
Well, we appreciate you calming him down.
Oh, sorry, baby.
No, you're good.
Yeah.
Let's examine the constitutional framework. The initial stop was justified under Wan versus United States. The Supreme Court held in 1996 that any traffic violation provides constitutional authority for a stop, regardless of the officer's subjective motivation. Here, 2 violations existed. Speeding and failure to use headlights during rain, both violations of Florida traffic code. Under Pennsylvania versus Mims, decided in 1977, officers may order vehicle occupants to exit during lawful traffic stops without additional justification. The Supreme Court recognized that officer safety during traffic stops outweighs the minimal intrusion of requiring occupants to step out of the vehicle. The critical legal question becomes, when did the officer develop reasonable suspicion to conduct a Terry frisk? Terry v. Ohio established that officers may conduct protective pat-downs when they have specific, articulable facts suggesting the person may be armed and dangerous. The facts here include nervous behavior, excessive sweating despite cool conditions, and most significantly, 7 separate instances of reaching toward concealed areas despite direct commands to stop. These accumulated observations created reasonable suspicion under Terry. Graham v. Connor, the 1989 Supreme Court decision, established the objective reasonableness standard for evaluating use of force. Force must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment it was applied, not with 20/20 hindsight. 3 Graham factors apply here. First, the severity of the crime. The officer suspected possible weapons violations based on reaching behavior. Second, whether the subject posed an immediate threat, active resistance while potentially armed creates significant danger. Third, whether the subject was resisting or attempting to evade arrest. The force used consisted of empty hand control techniques and taking the subject to the ground. This represents a measured response on the force continuum, proportional to active physical resistance. No intermediate weapons or impact techniques were deployed. Florida Statute 790.2-3 makes it a second-degree felony for convicted felons to possess firearms or ammunition. This statute carries mandatory minimum prison sentences. The discovery of the concealed firearm validated the officer's suspicion and transformed the encounter. Florida Statute 843.0-1 defines resisting officer with violence as a third-degree felony. The physical struggle during arrest, including pulling away and refusing to comply with commands to turn around, constitutes this offense. Battery on a law enforcement officer under Florida Statute 784.0-7 elevates from a misdemeanor to a third-degree felony. Even minor physical contact during resistance can constitute this charge when directed at officers performing lawful duties. The escape charge under Florida Statute 944.40 stems from attempts to get away during the arrest process. This second-degree felony reflects the seriousness of attempting to evade lawful custody. An important Fourth Amendment principle emerges here: individualized suspicion. The driver and rear passenger were released without charges because their individual conduct raised no suspicions. The fishing equipment in the trunk corroborated their stated travel purpose. This demonstrates that one person's criminal activity does not automatically make all associates suspects. Each individual must be evaluated based on their own actions and the evidence specific to them. Officer grade, B-. The stop was legally justified, force was reasonable under Graham, and professionalism was maintained throughout. Tactical refinement opportunities exist in earlier physical intervention. Subject grade, F. Repeated non-compliance with lawful commands, concealment of illegal firearm as a convicted felon, active physical resistance, and creation of danger for all parties present. Department grade, B. Body camera policies provided transparency, backup response was appropriate, and professional standards were maintained under stress. Key lessons. First, compliance with lawful commands, even when disagreeing with the stop, serves everyone's safety and legal interests. Second, officer safety protocols exist because concealed weapons create lethal danger during routine encounters. Third, felon in possession laws carry severe mandatory sentences. Fourth, resistance adds multiple charges that compound legal consequences. Fifth, body cameras protect both officers and citizens by creating objective records of encounters. The case illustrates how traffic stops can escalate when subjects fail to comply with basic safety commands. The legal framework, from Warren to Terry to Graham, provides clear guidance for evaluating officer conduct and citizen rights. Share your analysis in the comments. What point in the encounter do you believe justified the Terry frisk? Was the force proportional under Graham? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more legal analysis of police encounters and courtroom proceedings.